Wassup here, back with another video. I'm on my way to Winco to go do some shopping because I'm hungry. I'm about to go home and cook. Let's see. Oh no, this is probably gonna be a vlog today. Shit, we'll just see how today goes, but it probably has to be a vlog for today. And look at this nigga car. This nigga look like shit. Nigga can't drive. Y'all ain't see that. I'm gonna head into Winco. I can't find anything in the store because it's the first of the month and everybody's buying up everything in the damn store. So I'm looking for, oh, there it goes. Boom. White rice. Gotta grab that. They don't even go there. That's the funny part. So I got sausage, my favorite pasta, sweet tea, because I'm a thirsty motherfucker. Some chicken broth. Oh, flip that around. You already saw the rice. Diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and my favorite thing, because I'm black, fucking chicken. So I had to get an onion, because that's what makes the food sweet. I had to get this from my house, because my pets be stinking up my house. I got 2 cats, and it smells like animal in my house, so I had to go grab this real quick. So I check out, yes. Rice. Chicken. Yeah, self-checkout sucks. Fuck. I hate self-checkout. Take 3 years to get the hell out the store. Shit. I'm going to a purchase from now on. Fuck self-checkout. Unexpected item removing from banking area. Hey, shut your ass up. Shit. Got my shit, now I'm probably gonna fucking go home. God damn. Nigga, you want your ass in the store for fucking ever. Ooh, nigga, that car looking right. Nigga, ooh. That, questionable tint. Oh, nigga, gotta open the door. To the car wash. My car is fucking dirty as fuck. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can't see it. Fuck it. It's just dirty as fuck. But I'm about to go, can you see that? Nope, can't see it, forget it. But my car's hella dirty, so I'm gonna wash this bitch and then. Always playing. Look at him. That's all he do. 2 o'clock in the morning. Always playing. Hey. Hi. Look at you being nosy. Hi. That dry ass meow. He's so big. Hey. Look at him. Hey guys. Hey. Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen. Hey. Every time I'm in the kitchen, your ass is in the kitchen. So I dumped all that sausage in there. All these damn onions. Oh yeah, I guess I should stir this, huh? I need more chicken broth. This don't even look like fucking, yeah, this don't. Yeah, I need more chicken broth. Hey. Y'all be cool over there. Over there fucking playing and shit. Ooh, got that shrimp, nigga, that jumbo shrimp. I don't use that skinny shit, cuz. This gets added in last because that shit doesn't take that long to cook. I always gotta have my chocolate muffins straight up at Costco. Got my Clorox wipes, Lysol spray, fuck COVID. You always in the food bowl. You eat all day. Get out of there. Hey. This is my favorite part. Seasoning. Gotta get some spicy ass shit up in here. Oh wait, I got 2 of them. Yeah, so we about to season the fuck out this. As my boy Sleeping Coyote always says. Nigga, that's just scratching the fuck out your paint. Seasoning. It may look like a lot, but it's actually not. So I added the tomato paste. I had to use 2 hands for that. It's kind of hard. Stir this shit up again. Get off my couch. What are you meowing for? What's wrong? So I just had to add the chicken real quick. We'll do this real quick. Had to add this chicken. Ooh, this look hella good, cuz. And we just let it cook. Ooh, this shit looks so good. Bruh, this looks so good. Ooh. Man, I wish y'all could smell it. Boy, this shit, nigga, that look good, cuz. Look at him. He always laying on his back like a hoe. Why he always looking like a hoe? Always sleeping. You see, ooh, I love this, bro. I'm about to be rocking this. Ooh, I love this, dude. You guys see that? Oh, dude, I'm rocking this shit today. How's it look? Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. I got cat hair all over it because of him. Thanks a lot. But what do you guys think? Let me know. Let's go hit up the car wash and deal with this 100 and some degree weather. Hot as fuck. You see this shirt? You see this shirt? Go subscribe. Let's go ahead and start this car up. It's not really a cold start because I was driving it already, but I just like the sound of my car. Oh, excuse me, I'm over here hiccuping and stuff. Shit. Where's my keys at? There they go. That's like the sound of my car. Woo! Sounds so good. It's probably hella windy, so you probably really can't hear it. But let's go to the car wash before my GoPro dies. I just made it to the car wash and I had to wash my car because the automatic one is broken, so I have to go hand wash it. It is what it is. So I always do first, I always do this. I go rinse off the fucking brush. Motherfuckers be having a lot of shit in this damn thing. Always rinse this off first. All that rock and bullshit. I'm gonna scratch the fuck out of my car. And then we just rinse this off. Alright, now we do the high pressure soap. I always do this, it takes hella long to come out. It does, it takes hella long to come out. There we go, see, now turn white. That's done. Let's go get that fucking brush. Oh, I gotta put this down. Look at it. Look at it. Pooping out a bunch of soap. Didn't do too much. 14 minutes. You gotta press that button so it don't charge you. How much I spent? $10. See, told you. That's all I ever spend. I don't spend no more than that. That's not much. But let's go ahead and draw this bad boy. So my GoPro died, like always. You see this shirt? Go hit that subscribe button. Y'all see it? Woo. That subscribe button. It's Mr. 392. My GoPro died. It's right there. So I need to go take it in the house and go charge it, because what I need to go do is go buy that second battery, because I'm gonna need it. I'm not trying to always use my phone. The reason I bought the damn GoPro. But we're about to go in the house, finish cooking, and then I'm gonna come back outside because I got a surprise for y'all. So I'll be right back. If you guys can only smell how good, oh, this smells so good. Got that chicken sausage. About to add that right. Ooh, y'all missing out. Ooh, I got Chef Mr. 392 in the kitchen. Let's go ahead and peel this shrimp. I had to take the shirt off, it's fucking hot. Bro, look at the tan line. Oh my gosh. I need to stop wearing short sleeve shirts. That is terrible. All right. Y'all cannot tell me this don't look good. Look at that shrimp, boy. Oh, bro, I'm about to tear down when this is done. See how they're starting to turn white a little bit? That means they're starting to get done. So I have it on low. I mean, I can put it on high for it to cook faster, but it's cool. I'm not really in a big rush to eat. Boy, this look, ooh. Y'all missing out. Real quick. Let that cook. And we gonna eat later. I think I'm ready. Got that white rice. Ooh, I'm ready to chow down. Oh, the focus too cool. Ooh, we about to get grubbing. Rice is done, and I cleaned up my mess. Let's chow down. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I'm about to go. This shrimp looks so good, bro. That smell good? Ooh, that looks so good. Look at his nose. Yeah, he like, what's up? Yeah, you smell it, huh? You smell good, huh? But we about to go in. Isn't that right, Jasper? Get your booty down. Look at him. Look at him. Get your booty down off my table. You know better. What you guys think? Ooh, I love it. I got my new stickers for my car. I'm getting one up there soon. Just gotta order it. But what do you guys think? I like it. Ooh, that looks good. That's a wrap for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Stay up to date to all my content. Amazon's freaking outside ruining my outro, but that's okay. So like, comment, subscribe. Boom, right there. It's Mr. 392, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.